this is Sherry Simmons, and I'm here to show you how to make a personal math trainer assignment or other assignments on Think Central. If you need to know how to set up your Think Central, then please look at the previous video, How to Set Up Think Central. So of course you log on to Clever, then you click on Think Central, log in using your email. You will notice that the default is kindergarten. Choose your grade. Go to the green California Math Expressions Personal Math Trainer. So we have lesson level homework, big idea quizzes, unit tests, and many other assignments that you can explore later. Today I'm going to assign lesson level homework, Unit 5, Lesson 6, Problems with 3 addends. Now let's say you just want to preview this lesson and make sure it's what you want. You click on it, and the Personal Math Trainer will open up. You can test out the features.
There are 5 red pencils, 6 yellow pencils, and 7 green pencils in a cup.
So there's many other features here, such as view example, step-by-step, textbook, and I don't think we'll be using print, but it's available. Now that I'm sure that's the lesson that I want to do, I just click Assign, Add, Assignment Name. I'm going to call this 5.6 Adding 3 numbers. I'm choosing a little bit more of a student-friendly or kid-friendly name than what they've offered me, so that the children understand what they'll be doing. Select a class. My class has already been set up. Again, if you don't know how to do that, look at the previous video. Select a group. My group is already selected. You'll see that I have my class from last year. I don't want to select those. My class has already been populated because I chose my class. So because I already had my class set up, here are all the names. You can choose to add just certain students who need to review certain concepts or add all. You need to set up the available date, and what I've noticed is that I've had problems saving when I don't set up this feature, so I'm going to go ahead and set it up. Available date is going to be for next Monday. Times available, and I'm going to make the due date a little longer. Give them a week to do it, or more. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to give them a week to do it. So that's it. There's the standard mastery level is set default at 75%. I'm going to leave that. And save. Now, what I've found is if you don't set your dates, then this save may be gray. Do you want to save your changes? Yes, and I'm done.